باسم التحية للشامي والصفا في استوديو ليالي.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I think this is the final time for creme brulee. Sorry for the late. And let's start. What we need is 6 eggs, 2 cups of heavy cream, whipping cream, 35%, half cup sugar, half teaspoon vanilla powder, and some lemon zest. First step, we will take 5 yolks and 1 full egg, and the sugar and vanilla, and this is the most important part, that you mix it very well.
Two hours later.
We'll add some lemon zest and we keep mixing again. Here guys, until the color change, be creamy a bit and thicker. This is what we need. So we have the cream and the mix we did. We'll put the cream first just to warm it up. We don't need it hot because we'll cook the eggs. We need it just warm. So we warm up the cream and we add the mix just slowly. So here guys, after like 2 minutes, 3 minutes max, we'll fill up the baking pan, hot water, and we'll put the mix in the bowl. And we'll put it in the oven in 180 degrees to 200, it depends the oven. So here guys, we keep it cool down when we take it out of the oven. So we'll put it in the freezer for 10-15 minutes. And the last part, the caramelized part, we'll add some sugar. And all over. And with torch. So after we caramelize it, some people eat it like that, but I put it in the freezer for like 2 extra minutes. And let's see, hear that? Perfect. See you next video guys. I have stuff to do. Bye.